Hi, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are doing another unboxing from Italy, because Italy is still the best place to find vintage magnetic Micronauts figures, and I am building a collection, or rebuilding a collection as the case may be. I loved these figures when I was a kid. I am trying to regather them all now, and you are coming along with me on this great adventure. This is how an export box looks, I guess, from Italy. When you buy a bunch of Micronauts, if you've seen any of my other videos, you and I have learned that we do not attack this from the rational points. We just dig right into the side, something like that. So that is how we do it. I got this from the same person I got my last Micronauts figures, which means that this is going to be boxed, I guess you could say in triplicate. It's going to be maybe overboxed. But when you're trying to protect figures that are like 45 years going on 50 years old now, it makes a little bit of sense. So now that we've broken through the chocolatey outer shell, we're going to try and get inside the delicious peanut butter core. If we're lucky, we're going to find nougat, we're going to find caramel, maybe even some sort of a golden ticket. Who knows? Alright. Ooh! Ads from an Italian newspaper or something, or magazine. Yay! This is what it looks like when you're trying to buy the exact same products that we have here, it appears. I mean, Ace. I recognize some of these, right? That looks like the Downy little bear. Probably the same company. Anyway, not to dwell on that, but that's kind of cute. Ah! Look at this, he put in some kind of a little plastic divider. That's kind of cool. Well done, thank you. And another one. Alright, and... okay. I'm not sure what this is. Sleeker, smoother, healthier hair. I didn't buy this. I hope that's just to protect my figures. Yes, it appears to be. Alright. So... figures are hanging out in here. Just see if there's anything else cute in here. Half the fun of an unboxing video. So, looks like some leftover boxes to some toys, which is totally appropriate because this person is selling vintage toys. So I wouldn't be surprised if they had an interest in toys in general. Well, that is cool. Well, that's all the actual packing materials, and then since you've come along with me this far on the adventure, you get to see the actual figures I bought, which I have not yet revealed to you. And this is a moment for me because I have been waiting a long time for these guys. I got Red Falcon, the Birdman in this line. I got Green Baron, I got King Atlas, got both of their horses. And now, I finally have Oberon. Oberon is the steed. This guy here, also when you turn him into a centaur, he just becomes his lower half. And this guy here, if I can get to him... the suspense is killing me! Here we go. This is good old Force Commander. And this one, interestingly, although this one is a Micronauti from Il Mondo Intercambiale, You cambiale. I'm not going to try and pronounce the Italian, but this one's a Micronauti. This one is actually an English language Micronaut. And for those of you who actually remember this line in the English-speaking world, this was one of the two main figures that came out, and in a lot of regions, one of the only two figures, this guy and his horse. And the other main figures in this line. Baron Karza. The coolest, baddest, butt black robot ever. And he also had his companion horse and centaur lower half. Ooh, and this one is in a fancier package. Andromeda. So here you have the classics all lined up. Baron Karza, his horse Andromeda, Force Commander, and his horse Oberon. All courtesy of eBay Italy. Thank you, eBay Italy, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.